Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. Today we are heading to Amansi. This is the town in Awka North local government area of Anambra State, and also this town happens to be one of the major towns that have benefited so much and immensely from the overflow of the development in the capital city of Anambra State. Okay, after Isuofia town, this town is the second town in Awka North local government area that have benefited immensely from the overflow of development in the capital city of Anambra State, that's Awka. So this town has common boundaries with Awka South towns like Ifite-Awka, Isiagwa-Awka, and then Awka as Agwaka in Awka capital city. So the other town, which is the one that has benefited more from the overflow of development in the capital city, is the Isuofia town, and this town happens to have a common boundary with Ukpo in Awka South, and then Ifite in Awka South, and so many other towns around it. So today we are in Amansi, and today we are bringing it to you live and direct, just like always. What you are seeing here is a major road in Amansi town, and this road is already under construction by the Anambra State government. Okay, yes, this road is under construction by the state government, and I can tell you equivocally that this town is really benefiting from this current administration. Why I'm saying this is every major road in this town is under construction, and on this video we are going to take you around this town. You will see all the major roads and all the linking and connecting roads in this town. You will see the work that is going on these roads, just like this one now. There are other major roads like the one that leads to Ifite. That one, a serious construction work is going on that road, because this particular road we are in now, this one is the road that leads to the express, and also from this road you can go to Ebenebe town. If you check our other video, our previous video, you will see Ebenebe town. Yes, you will get to that town from this particular road we are in right now. So this one is one that leads to Ebenebe town, and from there you get to Obo family and so many other towns around that area. So right now we are in Amansi, and the state government is really doing wonders in various towns in Anambra State, just like you are seeing in this town. So this is what is happening in Amansi in Awka North local government area of Anambra State. Like I told you, all the major roads in this town are under construction, and you can see the work that is going on this side of the road, or the town rather. There is a bridge that's under construction at this spot. I think that bridge is what is holding this road from being ready by now, because if that bridge had not been there, or if that obstruction had not been there, they would have been done with this road already. But as it is right now, they have really done well already. They are already done with the bridge, and what I think they are trying to do now is to get the landscape so that they would get the ground leveled and then set for asphalting and so whatsoever they are about to do. But what they are doing here is that the bridge is already set, but I believe they are trying to let the bridge get fried or whatsoever, so that it will be strong enough to carry the weights that will pass through it. So if you look at the work that is going on here, you see that this company are really serious with the work they are doing here. The construction company are taking their work very serious, because they are already done with the drainage system already, and all that's left is just to get the bridge active and then get the road done. So this is what is happening in Amansi, that's in Awka North local government area, and so many other projects like this are going on around virtually almost every local government in Anambra State. And why I'm telling you this is because Anambra State is a construction site as I'm talking to you right now. The whole of Anambra State is a construction site. There is work going on here and there. And this is very, very, very serious. The state government really needs to be applauded for what they are doing right now in the state. The Soludo administration has taken this road construction issue very, very serious, and they really need to be applauded for this. Okay, though it is what the government should be doing. Basically, this is one of the basic things the government should do, but in this part of the world it's not basic. It's something else. If you look at the previous government, they have actually done nothing like this. Okay, yes, especially the Beauty of Anambra government, in terms of road construction, they really did very, very, very bad. Yes, when it comes to road construction, the Willis administration did very bad in Anambra State. And we are glad and happy that this administration has a master plan for the state. Yes, I would tell you that this administration has a master plan for the state, because the way work is going on in every part of the state, I marvel at this thing sometimes. Like, I'm very surprised that is this really happening in Anambra State? You understand? It's something to be surprised at, because it's not something we see every day, And this particular administration have taken it up to themselves to see that every road in Anambra State is ready, is good and ready for use. And they are even creating new connecting roads also in the state. There are other new roads and new linking roads that are under construction all around Anambra State as of today. And we are so glad to bring this to you just the way it is, live and direct as it is going on. And we'll also bring so many other projects that are going on around the states to you on this channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below, so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. We are still at Amansi, Awka North local government area of Anambra State. So if you have any advice to the state government, you can also drop that on the comment section. You can also share your thoughts on the comment section. Tell us what you think about the construction that's going on in Anambra State. Tell us what you think about the state government. Tell us what you think about these various towns that are receiving these massive projects around them. Just let us know generally on what you think about the whole situation in Anambra State, Nigeria. We'll be glad to hear from you. We'll be glad to hear your advices also, and also share your views with us. So come with us as we still go on this trip in Amansi to show you all the various parts of the roads that are under construction. Stick with us on this video. Also, at this point, guys, we are also heading towards the express. That's the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. Yeah, so on this road we are in right now, this road will lead us straight to the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. That means we are already heading out of Amansi. Okay, Amansi is also the boundary town between Anambra State and Enugu. So if you go through the express, once you get past Amansi, the next town you are going to get into is Ukpo, and that's Enugu State. So also, if you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so very much for your time, and also subscribe to this channel for more updates coming your way. Like and share this post, and click on the notice bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get to know about it. Thanks and bye for now. Remain blessed.